Good morning, beautiful world. Got off my first job and went straight from there to the gym. So my dog still has diarrhea. She hasn't done it today. We gave her medicine yesterday. But I was proud of myself because Saturday night / Sunday morning around 3-ish or something, I woke up by the dog crying. So I decided I would be a nice husband and take her outside to go to the bathroom, and took her out. She pooped everywhere. She had diarrhea, and I was all proud of myself. I'm like, the wife's gonna be so proud of me when I tell her in the morning. And then I wake up and apparently she actually did it 3 times and the wife did it twice and I only did it once. So I tried to be sweet and it just didn't work. That's fine, I never wanted the dog anyway. My good brother Titus used to always say, Subway or no way. Well, I am off work at Bobby Evans. I'm headed home, and when I get home, I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's exciting. It's exciting. Of course, I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like I'm so busy all the time. It is nice to be able to just stop, just relax, just breathe, just sneeze, just eat, just whatever pops up, whatever happens, just let it come. I don't have anything I have to do, anywhere I have to be. That'd be cool. That'd be cool.
Quit having an attitude with me. No. Get down. No. Don't you bite me. No. 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 Forget it. It's all gone. He's gonna tell you no too.
Sadie, no. Just gotta knock a little hole in the wall. Croissant on the outside, cheese on the inside. So good. I'm bored. I'm sleepy. I want a snack. What do you want to do, babe? You're picking.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. I picked what we did first, and now it's your turn.
No, it goes by night.
So, not tomorrow night, because I do practice. So you're trying to tell me Wednesday night you're going to make all the plans?
Yeah.
I'll have to get back with you on that one to make sure she stays true to her word.
You die already?
Not yet. I don't know what I'm doing though. I got excited and just kept running through.
I can't see anything, so I'm just gonna shoot. Wow.
That's it. We gotta do something if we want any chances of getting to 75. Well, I guess it's time to go to bed. So, I'll see you later. Have fun, but not too much fun. Right, peace out and all that jazz.